Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and to a declutter with me video. Today I'm going to be clearing out my wardrobe, decluttering it, getting rid of anything that I don't use or I don't love, and just tidying up for the new year. So let's get straight into it. So I'm opening up my wardrobe, and as you can see, it's a bit of a mess in there. One of the things I really want to do with my wardrobe declutter is get rid of all these wire hangers that I've been using and replace them with wooden ones. I don't know, I just find the wooden ones are so much more aesthetically pleasing. They're more sturdy, they look nice, and yeah, I don't know, I just much prefer them to the wire hangers. So I'm pulling everything out of my wardrobe and I'm sorting through them one by one. So I'm starting with my tops, and as I go, the ones that I know that I want to hang on to, I'm immediately putting them straight onto the wooden hangers, and the ones I'm not sure of, I'm pulling off and setting them aside because I just want a little bit of time to think about those ones. So I'm just doing that one by one and really making sure as I pick each item up that I love it, I have a use for it, or it sparks joy in my life, as Marie Kondo, the queen of decluttering, would say. And the other thing I really like about these wooden hangers is they take up more space than the wire hangers. So it's good because it actually limits the amount of clothes that I can fit in my wardrobe. So I really have to think as I pick up each item, do I love it? Does it have a place in my wardrobe? And do I want to keep it? So here are all the tops that I'm hanging on to. I think I got rid of about half of my tops, and it's just going to be so much easier for me to find things now because there's so much less clutter in there, and things are also color coded. That was another thing that I've done as part of this declutter, is organize it and put it all in color code. So moving on to the rest of my wardrobe. So up the top here, I have all my coats, all my jackets, my dresses, summer dresses, winter dresses, cardigans, all that kind of stuff. And so what I decided to do, because I knew I wanted to get rid of a lot of this stuff, is I decided to pull it all out, and then I would go through it one by one and only put things back in that I definitely wanted to keep. One of the things that I found really hard was letting go of items that I'd either spent a lot of money on, that I knew were worth a lot, or that were perfectly fine, in great condition, had barely been worn. But as I went on, I found that I was realizing some of these items I hadn't worn in years, and there's absolutely no point keeping them in my wardrobe if I'm not going to wear them. I'd much rather get rid of them and let somebody else enjoy them. So this is the massive pile of clothes that I've pulled out from the top of my wardrobe, and I'm just going through one by one and I'm pulling off all the metal hangers, getting rid of those. I also had a few of these plastic hangers that I was using. Again, I just want to replace them all with wooden hangers. I also created a bit of a maybe pile, so I put things aside that I thought I'm not sure whether I want to keep, but I gave myself a little bit of time to go back to those items. And then I found actually after a while that I was getting more and more ruthless as it went on. I think I was just in the zone of decluttering, and I guess as you go on, it becomes easier and easier to let go of things because you really start to feel relief in detaching yourself from items, and you really get a sense of, okay, what do I actually need? What do I love? And what can I let go of? So then I'm just putting the items that I definitely want to hold on to back into my wardrobe one by one. So this is the pile of clothes that I'm getting rid of. This is probably about 2/3 of my entire wardrobe, and it's a lot of stuff. So I'm just grabbing some garbage bags and I'm going to bag up all the stuff that I'm getting rid of and donate it to the op shop. I ended up with 4 garbage bags full, which I'm really proud of. So that is it for my wardrobe declutter with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to turn it into a bit of a series, so let me know down below what you want to see me declutter next. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.